How to fix the Instagram Notes music feature not showing. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Notes music feature not showing. First, go to the App Store. Here, search for Instagram app. Now check for any recent update. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once it is updated, tap to open your Instagram. If the problem is still not fixed, go to your profile. Then tap on Menu. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Help. Now tap on Report a Problem. Continue with Report Problem without shaking. Then tap on Include and Continue. Here, briefly explain the problem you're facing while using the Music Notes feature. Once you're done, send your report. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.